for how to create an account.
Now go to www.google.com and type Google My Business, Google My Business profile. Once you do that, you see this. Click on the first Google My Business page you see. Then create your profile by clicking on this blue dot. Now you would input your business name. For the sake of this video, I'll be using this random business name. This is the first thing that came to mind. Then you include your business category. Now for the business category, you really have to be careful. This is what will help Google rank your business or where it's supposed to be. Okay, so for the sake of this video and for the sake of this business, I'll be picking this category. Then I click on next, and this is the next thing that'll pop up on your screen. So now if you have a location, you choose yes. If you don't, you choose no. Then you'd see this enter your business address. You put all of it and put it accurately, because this is what would help people find your business if you have a physical space. Now, because of the name of the business I chose, Google now is showing me this list of business to verify if I own any of this business, but obviously I do not. Like I said, this is a test video, so I click on none of this and you click next, and it takes you to the map. Now on this map, it wants to pick accurately where your store location is. Now, once again, this is majorly for people who have physical businesses. For example, you rented a space or whatnot, or you want people to find you at a certain spot. This is what you do. So you pick a particular place on the map accurately, as accurate as possible as you can. So I'm just picking this random place that doesn't have a business just for the sake of this video. Then you click on yes if you know you provide office delivery or home delivery, and you're asked to input the areas where you offer your businesses. So for the sake of this video, I'll be picking these things. I would make a more detailed video to explain some of those things going forward. So now you have your contact details, and just like it is self-explanatory, but I'll skip this because this is not an actual business. Then you click on yes to get updates about your business. So what this will do is, if you have notifications, if you have people, it lets you know. So now Google would verify your business. You might see this now verified. It might not be verified, but don't worry, just keep going. You add your services. Now what kind of services do you offer? So this differs based on the category you picked. So that's one of the reasons I told you the category you pick is important. I'm going to be skipping because of the sake of this video. The next thing you see is your business hours. Now you accurately add the times when you open. Do you open on Sunday, Monday, whatever? Click on the close you see there. It toggles and it gives you a time frame. You input your time frame. I open Monday 9 o'clock. You do that as well. Then this is where you add your business description. Now under this place, you have to suddenly add what your business does, who your business is for, your location, and so many other things, because this would assist with how your business is being promoted or found on the platform. So now the next thing you're going to see after you filled up your business description is your business storefront. You put your picture of your business, what your storefront look like. You add more photos of your business, things you sell, and all of those. Now you skip this advertising credit. You skip it. You skip these two as well. And this is what you would see. Now remember when I said you will see verified and it might not actually be verified. Now take a note at this, not publicly visible. So this is what it displayed after I created it. Roughly 24 hours after, I went back to check it again, and this is what I found. Voila, as you can see, I already have my first business profile interaction. So somebody actually searched for nails in Lagos and found me, and about 7 people have seen my business in less than 24 hours. Can you imagine? So these are the number of customers you leave off the table by not having a Google My Business profile. As you can see, the only thing I inputted when creating this account was a location. So that's why I have one person who searched my direction. The rest is not there. But yeah, but now you know how to create a Google My Business profile. What will you do with this information? Oh yeah, follow me if you're not already following. See you in the next video.